Imagine pulling forgotten history from the depths of a murky river, or uncovering a lost treasure that's been waiting for decades. This 1000 lb complete magnet fishing kit promises exactly that kind of adventure. And honestly, it delivers a surprisingly robust experience right out of the box. What immediately strikes you about this kit from Platinum Online Products is its completeness. It's not just a magnet, it's a whole package designed for serious treasure hunting. The star of the show, of course, is that double-sided N52 grade neodymium magnet. When they say 1,000 pounds of pull force, you can genuinely feel the power. This isn't some weak fridge magnet. This thing grips onto metal with an incredible tenacity, making it perfect for retrieving heavier, more substantial finds from lakes, rivers, or even ocean environments. The double-sided design is a smart touch, increasing your chances of a successful grab no matter how it lands. But a powerful magnet is only half the story. This kit thoughtfully includes a durable 65-foot rope, which is essential for reaching those deeper, more promising spots. It feels strong and reliable, giving you confidence when you're pulling up something heavy. And speaking of pulling, the included grappling hook is a fantastic addition. Sometimes a magnet just isn't enough, especially for non-ferrous items or things that are awkwardly shaped. The grappling hook expands your retrieval capabilities significantly, turning you into a true underwater scavenger. Safety and convenience haven't been overlooked either. The kit comes with cut-resistant gloves, which are an absolute must when dealing with potentially sharp or rusty finds, and they offer a good grip too. There's also a carabiner for easy attachment, and crucially, thread locker. This small but vital detail ensures your magnet stays securely attached to the eye bolt, preventing any heartbreaking losses in the water. Everything, including the magnet, rope, gloves, and grappling hook, fits neatly into a waterproof storage case. This case is a game changer for portability and keeping your gear organized and protected, whether you're a beginner just dipping your toes into magnet fishing or a seasoned pro looking for an upgrade. The green color of the magnet and the overall robust build quality really stand out. It feels like a professional-grade tool, built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. It's clear that experts have tested this magnet for underwater environments, and that confidence translates into your own experience. For anyone who loves the thrill of discovery, the mystery of what lies beneath, or just wants a unique outdoor hobby, this kit offers an incredible entry point or a solid upgrade. It truly makes the adventure accessible and exciting for all ages. Overall, this Platinum Online Products 1000 lb complete magnet fishing kit is an exceptional package. It combines raw power with thoughtful accessories and robust durability, making it an ultimate tool for anyone eager to uncover hidden treasures. It's a complete, high-quality setup that genuinely enhances the magnet fishing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.